everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this blue festival look. To start off, I start with my brows. I'm just going in with the dark palette from my website and an angled liner, and I'm going all over the brows. I'm going in with this Zoeva 144 brush. It is literally a dupe for the MAC 252 brush, and it's a lot cheaper, but it's so good. And I'm going in carving out the brows all over my lid with Collection 2000 in Fair, and I'm just patting that all over. I really recommend this brush. I got it today. It's the first time using it and I absolutely love it, and it's a lot cheaper than the MAC brush that P. Louise uses a lot. I'm then going in with my NYX palette, which is full of nudes, and I'm going into the lightest shade, kind of set the lid into the brow area. I'm then going in with the orangey brown shade, so the colours Astute and Gingerly from my website, and then I'm going into the darker, almost like warm browns from the NYX palette, and just blending them in to the kind of crease and above, and it doesn't matter about the lid because I'm going to go in and make a cut crease with that same 144 brush from Zoeva and the Collection 2000 concealer. So I learned this tip from Jamie Genevieve. She basically puts the concealer like very wet onto the lid, looks down and then looks back up, so your eyelid prints kind of on the top of yeah, I guess just prints on the top of your lid, so you know where you want to make that cut crease go up to, so you don't print or smudge any eyeshadow. I thought it was a really good tip. Kind of hard to explain, but yeah, so I've gone in, done that with the concealer. That's just the Collection 2000 again, and I've just patted that kind of, it's still tacky when I apply the colour Optimistic from my website. This colour is my favourite and my best seller, so I'm going in and applying that over the cut crease area. Once I've done that, I'm going back in with that brush into the darker colour that I used, and just defining that crease just gently round the corners. Once I've done that, I'm going in with the colour called Thankful, which is a very bright neon blue shade, but it's really nice blue. Well, is it neon? I don't know. It's very bright, but it's kind of like a mix between a royal blue and a more turquoise colour. So I've put that into the inner corner of my eye, and then I've applied some little glitter discs, circles and butterflies. I got them from eBay. They are eye glitters. I will try and find the link and put it in the description. I'm going with these lashes. These are actually from eBay as well. If you just search K10 into eBay, they should come up. I'll try and find the link for them though, because I absolutely love them. I think they're really good lashes. I'm then going in using this shade Superstitious, which is a liquid lipstick. I'm going in and putting it on my waterline. I only do this with these kind of products because I know the ingredients, they're fine with me. Any other liquid lipstick I might be a little bit wary of because I do have very sensitive eyes, but my eyes are okay with the liquid lipsticks. So once I've done that, I'm going into that blue shade again that I used on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm blending into the lash line before I apply liquid eyeliner and then some mascara onto the bottom lid, and then that is the finished eye look. The glitter I kind of just placed randomly with the Glitterati glue. I'll try and find that and put the link in the description. And then I've gone in, done the other eye, done my face. The highlight is from my website. I know I get a lot of questions about it. It's the shade Benevolent. It's amazing. This colour is from Lime Crime that I've got on my lips. It's like a dark, well, you can see it's a dark blue. I've put some highlight on the top of it just to kind of finish off that look. And then this is from Glitterati on eBay, which is a little like festival head gems, and I've just applied that into the middle of my forehead. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to use, but I decided that that was kind of like a really good match. Yeah, the wig is also from Amazon. I will find the links and put them in the description. Thanks so much for joining, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again very soon.